Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Yahoo search and make Google your default in Chrome on our iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home, please tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can manage your Chrome preferences, including search engines. Inside Settings, tap on Search Engine. Here you will see a list of search engines like Yahoo, Bing, and Google. Right now, Yahoo might be selected. To remove Yahoo, simply tap Google from the list. You will see a check mark appear next to it. This means Google is now your default search engine and Yahoo won't show up when you search. Go back to Chrome main page and type anything in the address bar in search, and now you should see results powered by Google. And that's it. Yahoo is gone and Google is your default search engine on Chrome for iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.